What if I told you that the secret to success starts in your mind? That millionaires and high achievers are using a simple technique to turn their dreams into reality? Today, we're talking about the power of visualization and how you can use it to manifest your success. What is visualization? Visualization is the mental practice of imagining your goals and dreams as if they've already happened. It's not just daydreaming, it's a focused, intentional way to align your mind and actions with success. Let's break this down. How do millionaires actually use visualization to get to the top? Famous actor Jim Carrey wrote himself a $10 million check for acting services rendered, and a few years later, he got that exact amount for his role in the movie Dumb and Dumber. For Oprah Winfrey, visualization was about believing she was worthy of success before anyone else did. She imagined herself hosting the biggest talk show, changing lives, and she made it happen. It's not just actors and entrepreneurs. World-class athletes like Serena Williams and Michael Phelps use visualization before every major event. They mentally rehearse every move, every win, down to the celebration moment. Why? Because when the moment comes, their mind already knows how to succeed. The science behind this phenomena shows that visualization activates the same neural pathways as real-life action. When you visualize success, your brain starts to form the habits and confidence needed to achieve it. It rewires your mind for focus, action, and persistence. Here's how to start visualizing like a millionaire. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Be specific. Imagine your goal in vivid detail. Where are you? What do you see, hear, and feel? Embrace the emotions. Feel the excitement and confidence as if it's already real. Repeat this daily. Spend 5 to 10 minutes each day visualizing your success. And remember, your mind is a magnet. What you think, you will attract. Want to take it to the next level? Pair visualization with these tools. Vision boards. Create a board with images and words that reflect your goals. Affirmations. Speak positive statements about your success daily. Action plans. Visualization works best when combined with real action. Remember, every millionaire started with a vision. See your future. Believe in it. Take action. Because if they can do it, so can you. Ready to start visualizing your success? Drop a fire emoji in the comments if you're claiming your millionaire mindset. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more wealth building and success tips. See you in the next video.